iPad Pro 2022 models tipped by Logitech ahead of launch. Hey, it's John Tech here, and today we're going to be talking about iPad Pro 2022. Logitech recently updated its crayon stylus page and mentioned that it will be compatible with iPad Pro 12.9-inch 6th Gen and iPad Pro 11-inch 4th Gen. Earlier this month, Apple launched the iPhone 14 series alongside the Apple Watch Ultra and AirPods Pro 2. Now, the Cupertino-based tech giant is expected to release new versions of the iPad sometime next month. But ahead of the rumored October event, Logitech updated the page for its popular crayon stylus, mentioning that the digital pencil will support the upcoming iPad models. Logitech mentioned that the stylus will be compatible with the iPad Pro 12.9-inch and iPad Pro 11-inch and said that the models are coming soon. However, these listings do not give us any insight as to what the upcoming iPad Pro models will offer in terms of hardware. Unsurprisingly, Logitech has removed the listing from its page. In case you are unaware, Logitech and Apple have been working closely with each other for years now. It is the reason why Logitech's crayon stylus offers the same features on iPad OS as the Apple Pencil. Even the first version of the Logitech crayon was announced at a special event back in March 2018. Rumor mill has it that the upcoming iPad Pro models will be powered by Apple's latest M2 chip, unchanged chassis, and transition from a 3-pin to a 4-pin connector. Also, the known tipsters Meng-Chi Kuo and Rose Young suggested that the new iPad will consist of LCD and mini LED models. Some leaks have also indicated that a pocket-friendly version of the iPad is also underway. So that's everything, guys. Let me know what you think about that, and also don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.